Hi students, good morning once again and welcome to ELE 2303 Power Generation and Transmission course. And today we'll be going to do the laboratory number 9 entitled the parallel lines and transformers and loading capacity. All right. So before we start with the experiment, uh, let us identify first what are the modules that we are going to use no, in this experiment. And please check your lab manual as the laboratory number 7. And please go through the figure 7-8. No, 7-9. Okay, 7-9. So 7-9, it's all about a simple transmission line using uh, two power supplies. Okay, station A and station B. All right. So two power supplies will be used in this experiment, and please make sure that your teacher is with you and the lab instructor. Okay, so it's quite a little bit danger. Okay, dangerous. Okay, because we're playing now with the more than 415 volts. All right. So now, as you can see in our mobile stations, we have these two power supplies. Okay, we have here the station A and then the station B, and we'll be using also the auto regulating auto transformer and a watt meter and var meter. Okay, and two pieces of them. All right, and then also we'll be needing a another watt meter and var meter, and we'll be needing a three-phase transmission line. Okay, so this three-phase transmission line will be used. Okay, right, and for make this the reactance now to want to zero first, no, because initially we do zero. Okay, zero reactance. Okay, right. So take all the get some wires with you. Okay, so let me take the wires and then after this I'm going to connect according to the uh, laboratory manual. All right. Okay. So now I'll be connecting the circuit. So to start with the power supply. Okay. All right. So let me connect the power supply. So we'll be using the 4, 5, and 6. Okay. 4, 5, and 6 power supply. Okay. So connect it to the regulating auto transformer. Okay. So number 3 of the regulating auto transformer. All right. So finish. Then after that, we'll connect the regulating auto transformer to a watt meter var meter. So we'll start with number 4 to number 1 of the watt meter var meter, and 5 of the auto regulating transformer to the number 2 of the watt meter var meter. Okay, and number 3 as well, no? And number 3 to, I mean number 6 to number 3 of the watt meter var meter. And then after that, this watt meter var meter will be connected to a transmission line. All right. So we'll be using this yellow color short, okay, short wire in order for us to connect it uh, neatly. Okay. So connect it as I am connecting right now. Okay. And then from the three-phase transmission line, so let me use the red color wire to the watt meter var meter, no, to the second watt meter var meter. All right. So connect it. Just follow my connections in this video so that you will be guided accordingly, okay, to avoid any problems. All right, so from here, from the watt meter var meter, so we will connect it uh, to the second power supply, no, okay, to the station B, okay, station B power supply for to the 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Okay. Then, of course, no, where you are using a wattmeter varmeter, so you need to connect also a power, no, a 24 volts power supply, no, coming from the our main power supplies, right? Okay, because this wattmeter varmeter will not gonna work, no, without this power supply, the 24 volts. All right, so now I think you're ready. I Yes. Okay. Now, before we go to before we switch on, we will connect also a voltmeter. Okay, voltmeter from the sender side and voltmeter also from the receiving side. Okay, so let me get another wire. Okay, let us connect E1. Okay, the voltmeter E1. All right. Okay, right from 0 to 500. Use the 0 to 500 range and also the sender side. Okay, 0 to 500 volts. Okay, range. All right, so now it's done. Then we are now ready to do the measurement now. So, okay. Now let us put this knob, the reactance for the three-phase transmission line to the 600 ohms. Okay, 600 ohms. Okay, so as per the lab manual, we will going to use the 600 ohms. Okay, and make the auto transformer, regulating auto transformer to plus 15. Okay, switch it to the plus 15. Right? Okay, so now let us switch it on. Okay, switch on. Switch on also the other side. Okay, so all of them are still in zero volt, and try to adjust accordingly and take the reading. Okay, and set this one to 4 and N. Okay, and also this the other side 4 and N. Okay, so put equal voltage. Okay, so I think I think 200 is enough. I think 200 volts is enough. I think actually in the lab manual it's 240 volts, but oh, okay. Oh yeah, all right. We forgot to switch on the three-phase transmission line. So switch on the three-phase transmission line, then put it in one, and then adjust the voltage. So now you have some readings with you. Okay, and put both of the power supplies into 200 volts. Okay, so actually I'm just doing this for experiment purposes. Okay, all right. So make sure that the sender and receiver that both of them are in I think 250 or 300. Okay. Okay. Anyway, just adjust it according to the instructor's advice. Okay. So ask the instructor what voltage we're going to load, no, in this circuit. All right. Okay. So get the readings from E1 and E2, no, from the sender and receiver. Okay, and then also the wattmeter varmeter, wattmeter varmeter. All right, so get the readings. I think this one is -10, and this the second wattmeter varmeter reading is it's about -10, and the Q is -10, and the other one is -30. But then again, as I have said, no, it depends on the voltage you're going to input in the power supplies. Okay, so just ask your instructors for advice. Okay, all right. So now, after this, so while taking all the parameters, no, the E1, the E2, the P1, the P2, the Q1, and the Q2, and then after this, we're going to use a three-phase transformer, no, that will be inputted in between before the sender and also in the receiver side. All right. Okay. Thank you.